The gift of fantasy has meant more to me than my talent for absorbing positive knowledge. In matters of truth and justice, there is no difference between large and small problems, for issues concerning the treatment of people are all the same. Put your hand on a hot stove for a minute and it seems like an hour. Sit with a pretty girl for an hour, and it seems like a minute. Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind. The distinction between the past, present and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. Without deep reflection, one knows from daily life that one exists for other people. Never do anything against conscience even if the state demands it. Love is a better teacher than duty. The environment is everything that isn't me. An empty stomach is not a good political advisor. We cannot despair of humanity, since we ourselves are human beings. Only one who devotes himself to a cause with his whole strength and soul can be a true master. For this reason, mastery demands all of a person. Anger dwells only in the bosom of fools. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. You can never solve a problem on the level on which it was created. Politics is for the present, but an equation is for eternity. I want to go when I want. It is tasteless to prolong life artificially. I have done my share, it is time to go. I will do it elegantly. That deep emotional conviction of the presence of a superior reasoning power, which is revealed in the incomprehensible universe, forms my idea of God. Imagination is more important than knowledge. I think and think for months and years. 99 times, the conclusion is false. The 100th time I am right. Sometimes one pays most for the things one gets for nothing. Nothing is more destructive of respect for the government and the law of the land than passing laws which cannot be enforced. That deep emotional conviction of the presence of a superior reasoning power, which is revealed in the incomprehensible universe, forms my idea of God.